Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin with clean, lubricated parts. That matters because debris will jam the ring compressor and scratch the bore. Once you have the correct compressor for the piston diameter, place the rings in their grooves and stagger the gaps roughly 90 degrees apart. Make sure to lubricate the ring lands and skirt lightly. This reduces friction. Now slide the ring compressor around the rings and tighten just enough to hold them flush. Don't over-tighten, because that will distort the rings. Once the compressor is snug and the rings compressed, align the piston's orientation mark with the rod and timing direction. This prevents valve interference. Make sure the connecting rod bearings are lubricated. Supporting the rod keeps pressure even. With your other hand, place the compressor lip against the top of the bore and give light, controlled taps to the piston crown with a wooden or rubber mallet. This pushes the rings into the bore evenly. Keep the tool steady, and stop when the piston head is flush with the deck. You finish by removing the compressor once the piston has fully entered the bore and the top ring clears the deck. Then manually rotate the crank one full turn to confirm smooth movement. This verifies rings are seated and the rod isn't twisted. If you feel binding, stop immediately. Withdraw the piston, relube, and check ring gap alignment and orientation. Often a ring caught on the compressor lip or misaligned gap is the cause. Reattempt with slightly less compressor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.